Let me just tell you about Betty. She's fun. Betty, she's in her 70s. She lives in the DFW area, and she told me that she'd been meaning to get this done for years. And so she told me, I mean, this is where this comes from. This is where it clicked for me. That she said she pictured having to drive to some law office and sit there for hours, just like her doctor's appointments, and deal with all this paperwork. And she told me that I got my grandbabies. I've been watching them 3 days a week. I just never had the time, right? What grandparent is going to sacrifice time with their grandkids to sign some documents, right? So after I got it done for Betty, right, after we put her Lady Bird deed in place, you know what she said?